This leafy road now. It wasn't this leafy before.
Which, as you say, Nick, is.
There we go, that's kind of what I was looking for. Better when it was heavier though. See how this is going. Can you hear the rain? The rain's nice. Not sure if I'm going to vlog on it. Bunch of dog walkers are in the park behind me. They just turned up as the rain got really heavy. Not a good day to go out walking there. I wouldn't recommend it. The next couple of topics on my vlog topic list are atheism and astronomy. I guess we're still in the A's, but I'm not sure if I feel like I'm in the right place to talk about those. I've got shit going on in my life. It's more pertinent for me to talk about like life vlog updates or something closer to home. Until I feel like that's been vented or exorcised out of me, and then I can jump on the topic vlogs. Or current events I could do maybe. Listen to this though.